Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this miniature arcade game that was sent to me from Funtime Gifts. This arcade game is from the world's smallest range. It has a 2x2cm screen, a mini joystick, buttons and game sounds. There are 26 games to play and you can also choose the difficulty level for each game. The first one I'm playing is the classic arcade game Tetris. The aim is to move the different shaped pieces to form complete rows. This next one is a racing game, and the aim of this one is to avoid crashing into the other cars. In this game, you need to fill in the gaps to clear each row. Next is this battle tank game. The objective is to shoot the other tanks before they shoot you. This next one is like the classic arcade game Frogger. You need to get to the other side without bumping into any obstacles. And in this game you need to shoot all the pieces row by row before they reach down to the bottom. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this arcade game, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!